Ich begrüße Sie ganz herzlich.
Welcome to the Marabu Effect Colours Workshop. My name is Enke Cecilia Janssen, and I'm here to show you how to give a personal touch to your home accessories using these effect colours. And I've got these things ready for my designs. I also need some self-adhesive film to make stencils, a sponge and a bowl. I bought some curtain fabric, which is pre-printed with these lovely white leaves. It's a beautiful pattern, which I can add to. Most importantly, before you start, you must wash the fabric first to completely remove any finishing agents. I cut out a few stencils from the self-adhesive film so that I can repeat the leaf pattern in different sizes. Now, taking the stencil, I'll peel off the film and stick it onto the fabric. Then, with a small piece of the sponge, which I've cut into smaller pieces so that I can work more carefully, I'll dab some paint on to distribute the color. For a really thorough job, I'll use a roller after, which will spread the paint more evenly. Always make sure that the 3D paint is really well applied, but in thin coats. I'll show you how to do it. Now take off the stencil, and you have a leaf with a clean outline. Next, we'll use Marabu Textile Metallic. With a soft synthetic brush, the fine one first, do the outlines. It's very important to apply the paint thickly, in thorough coats, and not too thinly. Here, I'm using it straight from the jar. You can see that I'm applying the paint very thickly and trying to get the color as even as possible. I got this great glitter effect using a glitter liner and textile glitter. First, I used the glitter liner and drew the shape. Then I applied the textile glitter, and you can see how it sparkles. I'll show you how to do it. Carefully outline each area. Then carry on by filling in each area. Use Marabu textile glitter straight from the jar with a brush, and the glitter effect is even better. For very fine lines, I'm using a paint tip on the 3D liner to draw these small circles. And then I dab glitter liner in every second circle to create light effects. Just squeeze some into the middle, very carefully, like you're dropping it on top. This looks lovely, and it's really easy. It's very important to allow the paints to dry thoroughly, preferably overnight, before you start fixing. Set the iron at the temperature for cotton, then take the fabric, put the color side down onto a towel, smoothen it out, and start ironing the 3D paint, making circular movements over the back. It will take approximately 3 minutes for the paint to puff up completely, and it will turn a beautiful even color. See? It's completely even and a lovely color. Oven fixing is particularly good. Put it into a preheated oven at 150 degrees centigrade for 8 minutes, where it will puff up and be fixed. When iron fixing, you also need to iron the glitter and metallic colors for 3 minutes at cotton setting on the reverse. So you see, it's really not that difficult, and I'm sure you'll be able to make these things for yourself too. Have fun!